Some important workplace ethics, Part 2. 1. Keeping your table clean. Would you like to go to a messy, dirty, and inconvenient place every day? Not at all. Then, if there is a lot of stuff scattered on such a messed up desk, if there is no cleanliness, whose heart would be to work on it? In order to be enthusiastic while working, and so that a nutritious environment is ready for others, you should always keep your desk clean. Do not keep any important file or paper here and there. Along with this, keep your cupboard racks clean too. Keep files well. 2. Use of dustbin. The place for litter is always in the dustbin. If any garbage has accumulated due to us, then after completion of work, throw its useless papers and meaningless things in the trash immediately. Apart from this, if garbage or food items are seen anywhere in the workplace, then immediately picking them up and throwing them in the trash is a sign of a good person. 3. Do not eat food at your desk. Most of the work on the desk is done on paper and files. Apart from this, laptops, printers, mobiles, and other electronic things are there. So avoid eating or drinking tea at the desk. If these things fall on these important papers, files, or electronic items, then you can suffer huge losses, or your work can get affected. And if there are food stains on the table, then it can get spoilt. Professional manners suggest that it is not considered a good practice to eat at work tables. Whether it is time to eat or have tea, or there is any function in the office, there is a separate place made for it, and you must enjoy there. 4. Shutting down of fans, lights, AC, and printers. Do not use electricity when not needed. This is a global need. However, at the place of work, we need to keep qualified and professional behavior. After your work is completed, or if not needed, make sure the fans, lights, AC, and printers are turned off. Someone surely will use it after me, or someone else will turn them off, thinking that keeping them on means misusing the resources. Not only this, if you are the last person to leave the office, then leave only after making sure that all the equipment on each table or cubicle is turned off. 5. Use of stationery. Use the office stationery only for official work. Do not use stationery for unnecessary work. Many a times, office stationery is taken home or used personally. Do not do this. Use stationery only when needed and correctly. In many offices, the highest expenditure is on stationery. Therefore, use it with equal responsibility. 6. Talk on the phone and with colleagues in a low voice. Do not speak loudly while talking on the phone in the office. This can distract the attention of other colleagues. Keep the mobile ringtone volume soft and low. Speak softly while talking on the phone. Take care not to let anyone else suffer from your talking. And use earphones or speak at some other place so that the other colleagues can do their work without any problem and you two can talk leisurely on the phone. Complete phone communication in minimum time. Avoid personal phone calls from the office landline phone. We only work in the office for a short time. This means that more and more time should be used only for office work.